na-ege m ntị olu oke ọ na-elu n'ime ogbe aba mbụ nwada Glory Ekenewunu onye na-anụ onye n'ụbọchị tata unu maka isi eme n'ime ogbe ebe ive niile na-eme today n'ime ogbe o nwere ezigbo ive nchọrọ ka anyị kpaa maka ya. I want us to discuss about talent and enwere onye nchọrọ ka unu meetie ya bụ onye dị very talented. Igbo ndị ọma na-ege m ntị n'ime ogbe tata enwere onye nsị ka m gosi unu ọlụ aka ya a na-akpọ Chima Ikeguonu. Chima, you're welcome to the program. Imelofu ka mmata na ọlụ aka gị bụ efa. Can you tell us the story behind this, as in what inspired you to do this?
Well, what inspired me is the story of the feeding of the 5,000 in the Bible. So, the title of the painting is actually the feeding the 5,000.
Okay.
Taken from that story. So the story is actually a journey of us human beings, because in the story you can see people from all tribes, Yoruba, Igbo, Hausa, whites, black, everybody is involved. And you can also, in the far left, you see even the disaster of 9/11, the bombing of the Twin Tower. Wow. And in the right, you see the reconstruction. So the idea is just situating within that feeling of the 5,000, the story of our journey from war to peace. So that's what it's basically all about.
Like, how long does it take to make this? How long?
Well, this took me 2 years.
What?
2 years, yeah.
2 good years.
Yeah. Well, but it's basically because of the style. What I did here is pointillism. I use a very tiny brush. I keep dawdling on the whole.
Because what is pointillism? Tell our people.
Pointillism is a form of drawing where you just make points, dots.
Till you achieve your aim.
See, I got all this. Very tiny brush, very small. So that's the style I use in conveying that message, of our human experience from, so much difficulty and hardship to peace and plenty.
And apart from being an artist, what else do you think you would have been?
Well, I don't really think there's any life for me outside arts. Because I don't think, if there's no art, maybe I'll be dead. So basically there's nothing for me. This is the only way.
And all these other ones are your job also.
Yeah, this is the golden lamp. It's also because in my paintings too, I try to predict the future. It's not only.
So you use also the pointillism.
Yeah, and also I use the palette knife to also do this. So, but this is the story of an idea. When you conceive an idea so small in your mind, and when you achieve that idea, and how uncertain it was from the idea to its achievement, and also the uncertainty, because you see it's dark. Yeah, that darkness signifies that you have an idea in your head, but you may not be able to tell fully how you achieve it, but it's possible. So that's what you start with. See, finally, through the whole hustle and bustle of life, you find hopefully one
like the night and morning.
Yeah, kind of. If you can still capture that a little bit in this. Always from where we are and where we could be. So I also always try to predict a better future, not only capturing the, turbulence and actually.
Biko, Mr. Chima, bụ onye Igbo.
Abụ m onye Igbo. Mana ịmalgo.
Oyibo ga-erikazi. Igbo ndị ọma na-ege m ntị, Mr. Chima bụkwa na onye Igbo. Despite na ọ na-asụ Igbo rinne. Mr. Chima, this is really amazing. You are talented. Igbo anyị nwere ụnụ mmadụ. Unu afugonu. Chima, apart from this kind of painting, what else do you do?
Well, I have my background in architecture because I studied architecture. I still do that, but basically this is what I do most of my time. I also play the violin, but that's on the side, passion and, expressing yourself, but that's me.
It's all about drawing.
Art, yeah.
So you like your brushes, yeah?
I love them.
Thank you so much for coming. I would really like to see you again. Maybe next time you have to.
Wow, definitely. That will be definitely seeing that.
All right. Thank you so much. Can I? Nice.
Yeah.
Bye. na-ege m ntị ga-ebe ana na mgbagbu anyị abịago n'isi njedebe n'ihe program anyị na-eme a na-akpọ Ime Ogbe. Unu afụgo Chima, fụ talent Chima. Chima is very talented. And in case if you want to contact Chima, you can reach Chima through this number displaying on the screen right now. One called Stay Out of Trouble. And my name is Glory Ekenewuno. Onye nta akụkọ gị n'Ime Ogbe.